Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, I want you to go back and watch the daily prep video, one of the most important videos I've ever done. And we talked about these alerts. We talked about the trend bars. Let me just bump this up. I want to show you this. When this was trading back here, this was our point of interest. This range, this blue dotted line. So what we do is we mark it up, range sell, Kiwi dollar, look what we get. There's your trade. I'll just back that off, it's a bit over the top. 4-hour chart, so there it is, back there. Trades right up into it. So what do we do at this point? The alert goes off, we jump in here. Remember in that video I said when these alerts go off, pay serious attention to them. Well, we come in and we get an overall perspective and we're looking for the signal in the zone. Let's be precise here. There's your trade. 3-minute chart. When it moves into the zone, we're looking for, we talked about the divergence lines, the dot, and then if you're a little bit conservative, there's your red breakout there. If you are conservative, that's your entry. If you're aggressive, well, when you start to see lower lows, lower highs, here, okay, here, or here, but that, go back to that video, daily prep, okay, Aussie CAD, 4-hour, we'll click on the 4-hour chart, and we talked about exactly this. Now, why is that marked up? Let me just, it's coming back from here. That's what I marked up, if it trades back into here, and then I marked up this one up here as well. Look what we got. All right, so then on the lower time frame, see, we want to see it move into the zone, and then we want to see it rotate. There's our opportunity. Daily prep. Please go back and watch that video. Okay, I'll wrap this up. We're heading into the London Open. So with that, see you in the next video.